afternoon, and today we're at Tenpin bowling. It's a really good bowling alley this. They've got an arcade, they've got laser shooting, and of course they've got bowling. They've even got a bar. We're going to do one round this afternoon, and I've just got to say the lighting in here looks amazing. I'll give you a show now. So here's a little look at everything around here. Is anyone gonna? There you go, look, someone's throwing the ball there. Oh, they're unfortunate they didn't get anything there. Oh, they nearly got a strike, that person. But yeah, we're here to do one round, and yeah, let's go have some fun in lane 25. Hi. Nana's here tonight, this afternoon with us as well. Are you excited, Nana? Well, you're not really doing it, are you?
No, I'm watching.
Nana's not the best at bowling, I will admit. I'm surprised you don't throw it in the gutter thingy. But yeah, our game's about to start now, so yeah, we'll see you when we start in. Here we are then, we're at the bowling thingy, lane 25, and yeah, let's bowl some balls.
That's not bad.
Not bad. Went in the gap thingy.
Push it down.
There we go. This is my little sister's go. Oh, you got one now. Yeah, you got another go. The lighting in it is very good. Right, my little sister's going again. You ready? And push it. There you go. Oh, it bounced off. Oh no, the bumper's up. Wow, there you go. Hey. Quite easily, right? Oh, you're already doing it, it's good. Rubbish, isn't it? Right, little sister's going again, and there, that was a good one. Wow, that wasn't bad. I like the metal things they can use as well for the little kids, it's really good. Caution, slippery surface. There you go. Oh, she's having another go. Oh, Jesus. Be careful. I love the lighting in here as well. There you go. That wasn't bad. I just want to say I really like all the disco lighting in here as well. There's a lot of lanes as well, it's really good. Nana's going to try and have a go because I'm not very good at this. Alright, Nana's going to have a go. She's thinking which ball to choose. She's got one. She's just thinking, she's concentrated. And here she goes. Oh God. Throw it out the floor. No, that wasted my go. Oh my God. There you go, lane 25. Hate this. Oh my God. I'm gonna try it again. I think it's cheating. Charlie, aim in the middle. I want to try a purple one this time. Right.
That's a better one. Hey!
There goes the little then. Oh! Hey! Not bad.
Hello. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to Tenpin. Most of all, thank you for visiting Tenpin Derby. We apologise for the slight delay on some delays today, but with little opening across the road, it has caused.
Right, choose the purple.
Here we go again.
Okay. Oh, okay. Hello, boys and girls. It's to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jake 7 on 21, Lily and Esme on lane 15. Happy birthday to you. This is the bit I like. 3 cheers, Tenpin. Not loud enough, Tenpin.
Right, I'm going for a random ball this time. I've got the green one out. Here we go.
Oh yes. Oh, you got it.
That's not bad. There goes the little one again. Hey. Just done 10-pin bowling. Unfortunately, I think I came last. I'm not very good. The floors in there are quite bumpy, I think, and my ball kept going in the gap. But yeah, like and subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss when we upload another video. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.